The magic 3 is candidate hash 12, candidate hash 3, and candidate hash dot 6.
6. Thank you so much. Okay, so one of you have the chance to wear the crown. Maybe for a Miss Universe Philippines, Argentina, or Philippines. Alright, now in no particular order, please bring yourselves at the back. Because first to answer the question will be our Bini number 12. Alright. Judge Mary Jane, Jenna Rose, or the pick your judge name, please. Can I have the microphone, please? Alright, so finalists. This basis is back to 0. Alright? Dili maan ilang mga score for the final question and answer portion. So again, it's back to 0 kasi pati nga ako ban pa nga nanong much in the so magbase na kita if how the Bini defend her thoughts and opinions and paunsa sila mahimo laging posture when it comes to the question and answer portion because kami kulpa na gini siya for sure. Okay? Now, your judge is Generous Joloma. Okay, candidate number 12, here's your question. How can young women stand in solidarity with each other and how will it give great impact to the community? I repeat, relax. Kadua ko lang ito, para sure. Sure one. Okay. How can young women stand in solidarity with each other and how will it give great impact to the community?
Thank you for your question, ma'am. So, as a young, we can stand into solidarity if we are in the collaborative community, and in that way, we need to hear the voices from other young women, and also we need to accept that every young woman is not perfect, and in that way we can stand the solidarity of as a young woman. That's all. Thank you.
And I'm going to put me to me by joining your baby 3. Without speak your judge name. Your judge, Mary Jane Castellamor.
If you win as Bini Nakulat 2024, what will be your chosen advocacy and how will it benefit the entire community? Again, if you win as Bini Nakulat 2024, what will be your chosen advocacy and how will it benefit the entire community?
As Bini Nakulat 2024, my chosen advocacy is educational and technology. This is the role model that I can inspire or empower others We can improve the gender inequality.
Thank you very much. Last but not least, unit number 6. Ready or not? Judge Luke will be asking you the question. Please do the honor, sir.
Okay, just take a deep breath. Number 6. Your question goes this way. What do you think is the most significant barrier to female empowerment? Elaborate your answer. Again, what do you think is the most significant barrier to female empowerment? Elaborate your answer.
Kani may muray na ba?
The most significant barrier in female in community.
Bisaya ka nila, Tagalogan.
Community is gender inequality. It limits their actions and how they it may change of a better world organization.
Thank you very much for being number 6. Here we have it, everyone! Our top 3 finalists. Thank you so much. We will announce later on the winners. Napulano, during our program, our to be awarded by, may I request our judge 2023, and this witness her farewell walk for this.
I was honored to be crowned as a Winner Award 2022. And in the span of 1 year, wearing this crown has taught me, especially in terms of respect, boldness, and confidence. It helped me build a new perspective in life and showed me how important and crucial the influence of this crown could contribute to our community. This crown has represented far more to me than just a title or accomplishment. It has served as a symbol of hope, a catalyst of transformation, and evidence of strength of aspirations. I have had the honor of representing our pageant community's ideals and goals during my reign in addition to my spouse. I want to express my sincere gratitude to the distinguished judges who have devoted their time and knowledge to choose our new Winner Award 2024. Your ethics has helped me along the journey, whether they be close friends, my family, or ardent supporters. Your support and faith in me have given me bravery and motivation, and I will always be appreciative of your steadfast encouragement. As I prepare to step down from this team position, I do so with a sense of anticipation and excitement for the journey that lies ahead. To whoever among you will be crowned the next Binibining Napoleon 2024, I offer my sincerest congratulations. May you wear this crown with humility, grace, and pride, and you may seize the opportunity to make a meaningful difference in the lives of others. I am your Binibining Napoleon 2024. As I bid farewell to one chapter, I eagerly anticipate the unfolding of the next. My time as your Binibining Napalan may be drawing to a close, but my commitment to serving our community and uplifting those around will be endured. Once again, Kaiza Dino Fuertes, your Binibining Napalan 2023 signing off. Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan.
Thank you very much for reading Queen Kaiza Fuertes. Thank you so much. Alright. And now, once again, my request our top 3 the beats come for the stage. The runners-up and whoever the Binibining Napalan. And now our second runner-up is Binibining number 6. Eric Gasquet is going to her, the Honorable Jomar de la Cruz, and our SK Chairperson, Honorable RG. For the first runner-up, I request Judge General Joroman to join with you, Honorable we will give the award first to the first runner-up. Will remain at the back. Alright, and now please take the center stage. Eric has the Binibining number 6 to bring yourself there. Hold your hands, please. Moment. Who's your bed? It's either 12. One line will speak tonight. Will be our first runner-up. Our Binibining Napalan 2024 is Binibining number 12. Binibining number 3. And to present the General Joroman, and also the Honorable Corazon Quinanawan, and our SK Chairperson. While the Binibining Napalan the Honorable Dr. Ariely, and also our SK Chairperson. Napalan 2024, Karen Duong Nakulo, Manalaga, Binibining number Ladies and gentlemen, mabuhay ang gandang Latina, mabuhay ang barangay Nakulan. And our Bini-Bini Nakulan 2024, please take your first walk as our this year's Bini-Bini Nakulan 2024. Join with our Bini-Bini number 12. Please join with your sisters.